What's up everyone and welcome to you on the MOONCHARTS YouTube channel. I hope that you're all doing very well as always. Today we're going to update Solo. I am not going to do a full count of this simply because we have too much scam weeks here, we have too many stuff possible, we're just dropping, so I'm not going to do the wave on this, but I'm going to give you all the targets really you need, okay, to really look for a buy on this asset. I'm gonna give you really the targets. I'm gonna give you also the key reclaim really. When we start to reclaim that, okay, we can start to possibly change the market structure and start to become bullish, for example, and get a bit of a rise. So I'm gonna give you everything except the wave, because the wave, I really don't want to spend some time on this, to be honest with you. Making the wave, we'll have some scam weeks everywhere, so it changed the target, changed all of this really. So yeah, I'm not gonna spend some time on this, as I said. And we can already add the levels. So the levels here, we'll have some few levels to the, as you can see here, so have a monthly above, some stuff like that. I mean, again, I think you know how to do this. But yeah, first level to really be aware of above us, okay, if we have release, or to get something, I mean, to really get a bullish market, really, if you can say it on this, is really this level right here, this key reclaim level. If we start reclaiming this, okay, and manage to get acceptance above, plus we managed to change the market structure, okay, so to speak, to get acceptance above this. We have a, so for example here we'll have a high, lower high, lower high, and for example we keep doing some low highs. We're going to be able to start to make some high, higher high, higher high, okay, so we're going to be able to start to change the highs. Then we'll have also to change the lows, right? We'll have some low, lower low, lower low, lower low, so we're going to make some low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and for example maybe next we're going to retrace, make a higher low, and here we go. Now we're changing the market structure, okay. So this is really a level where we can from here expect to get a possible continuation really, if we manage to break through all of this target right here, okay, if we manage to get acceptance above this key reclaim and manage to flip this into support. If we manage to do this, plus in addition to this change the market structure, as I said, this is a very good sign for a possible reversal, right? So this is yeah, the first thing I wanted to talk about really to the upside, okay. Now to the downside, I'm gonna give you all the targets really you have to look for a buy. Again, if you want to know how to buy this, for example these targets I am giving to you right now, you have a full video available for absolutely free on the YouTube channel where I'm explaining clearly, don't buy here, don't buy here, buy here. Why? Just go and check out the video. It's really for investors really, more than, I mean, traders also. It's possible to trade really a safer way, if you can say that. So if you want to invest really in crypto, you're maybe worried about taking some losses, buying every time you try to catch a knife, doing this, just really avoid doing this. This video is really made for you, so you can really understand when you have to buy in the crypto market, okay. It's very simple, not really complex, to be fair, okay. You just have to learn a bit yield waves, but you do not have to learn all the yield waves really. You have just to learn some few stuff in yield wave, and you're going to be ready to apply this on the chart. But anyway, I'll let you go and check this update. It's absolutely free and waiting for you on the website, on the YouTube channel. And by the way, if you want to visit our website, it's MOONCHARTS.fr. You have all the informations about us here, so really do not hesitate to go and check this out. Anyway, on this being said, here are the targets to the downside. So we can look for these two main targets for the moment to the downside. So the MC extension, okay, we have this nice channel, by the way, here to the downside, okay. So we have this low right here to that low, to that top, we have this nice channel. So again, it can give, for example, another possible bounce. This can be, for example, a possible trade setup where, for example, traders are going to look for a possible long off that bottom here of the channel. So this can be, for example, a possible long trade. I don't know, we have to see the data here live in the time. But yeah, that can be something, for example, okay. This is the first big buy zone we'll have to be aware of. If we start breaking this, the next more likely one is this one-to-one extension, okay. We'll have the one-to-one extension. What is this pull? Really, it's simply a pull from this top to that bottom to that top right here, okay. We'll have this extension, sorry, so MC extension and one-to-one extension. These are the two more likely targets for now. Again, it's for now. Now the thing is, if we start to get a rise and we start to get another drop, for example, then okay, we for example, that the middle of the consolidation here, for example, we can see the middle here can be a short trade, okay. But yeah, didn't really have done some trades on a lower time frame, to be honest with you. I really it's really a spot for the moment, so it's more for the long term, right? So it's not really useful to look for trade on this, because you cannot even trade down by bit. So but anyway, so yeah, if for example you do this, then you're going to, of course, need to add some, to pull another extension. So for example, you're going to get such triple wave next. So we'll have to pull this extension from the top to the bottom to the top here to find your targets here to the downside. But for now, we don't have this data here on the chart. Okay, so we need to get this data to be able to do this. For now, we just have this nice triple wave to the downside. So this is how you can find your target. If I can just remove that. So you have to pull these triple wave targets. Okay, so MC extension 618, 71, 786. That is just one target, and then you have the 1-to-1 extension, so 100%. Okay, in addition to this, to add some more confidence, you can go here into the log scale, okay, and pull a negative fib. Okay, so to speak, you just pull this like that, or maybe it was the opposite. And let me just yeah, positive fib, by the way. So you have this, it depends, I reversed my tool, so it's a positive, but normally it's negative if you didn't reverse it, your tool. But anyway, so first of all, you have I think it was not like that, by the way. I think it was like this, or maybe like that. How I placed this, I can't remember. Because I have done the TAs a few days ago, and yeah, okay, it was like that. Here we go. So yeah, it was like this. So you have this first possible target also in addition. Okay, it's really for it's not really for trading, it's really for investors, that video. Okay, so you can really get your target. So these are that brings us with a lot of targets, to be fair. Okay, so I would prefer to look at the fibs, but these are some valid targets. Okay, these are also some valid targets, to be honest with you. You can look for something, and again, just go and watch at the video I've made on the YouTube channel here. You can recognize if you have to buy or not these targets by watching at this video. So yeah, just go and watch this update. Really, it's just waiting for you. And these are the targets. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 targets really. Okay, to the downside. Below here we'll need some more data really if we start to go that down. Okay, but again, just go and watch at the update, the video for investors I have made here on YouTube. This is really so you can recognize if you have or not to buy these assets, because the thing is, you're not going to buy directly in here, you're going to wait for some more stuff to come next, to be created next to buy this. Okay, just go and check this update really. But yeah, these are the targets. Now I would prefer personally, okay, to stay with these two. This is just my opinion. And yeah, if we start, for example, to get another push up here, and then we start to get another drop, then it's gonna be even more easier, and we're gonna get some stronger targets. Why? Because we're gonna be able to pull this extension from that top to that bottom to that top, so we're gonna be able to get these targets even more accurate to the downside. Okay, anyway, on this being said, I wish you all a brilliant day. So it's really not a long update because there are no way nothing really to cover here. You have so the key reclaim level, you have the targets here for a buy, and yeah, this is my TA on this. I'm not going to spend some time to make the waves, it's really useless for the moment. Yeah, so anyway, hope this helps. As always, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, turn notification. Thank you so much if you take the time to do it. This helps really a lot. And yeah, if you can write also some comments down below, that would help a lot, because as always, yeah, when you're a small YouTuber, availability is very complex to get it, you know, even more when you're in a bear market, there are a lot less people watching crypto content. So yeah, thank you so much if you take the time to do it. And on this being said, I wish you all a brilliant day, take care, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.